Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, process exited with the code 1 error, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So first of all, try running that application as an administrator. So let us assume that the application was Chrome. Search for Chrome and open it as an administrator. If that doesn't help, then perform an SFC scan on your computer. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator and then you can type sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. If that doesn't help, then we can perform a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar, open recovery, click on open system restore. Now if a restore point is not created, you'll have to click on system protection, configure, turn on system restore, apply, OK, and then create a restore point. Click on create, but this isn't supposed to be done at the time of restoring the system, much prior to that. Okay, rather I keep on creating these restore points from time to time. Now once it's created, click on open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, next, finish, and then click on yes to initiate the sfc scan, the system restore. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.